Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the blog publication date in Squarespace. This is particularly useful if you want your blog content to appear timeless or if you prefer a cleaner, less cluttered look for your blog posts. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all your site settings and customization options. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where all your websites are listed. If you manage multiple sites, simply click on the website where you want to remove the blog publication date. This will take you into the editing interface for that specific site. Now turn your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several navigation options here. Click on Website, and directly under that option, you'll find Pages. Click on Pages to access the organizational structure of your website. This is where you can manage all the different sections and pages that make up your site. In the Pages panel, locate your blog page. It might be listed under a main navigation section or in a folder depending on how you've organized your site. Once you've found it, click on the blog page, then click Edit. This will open up the editing options specifically for your blog. Here's where the magic happens. You need to find the section of your blog that displays your posts. Once you've located it, click Edit section. This will reveal several customization options for your blog layout. You'll see a variety of settings you can adjust, including content width, text alignment, meta position, show categories, show date, show author name, show author profile, delimiter style, and header spacing. These options give you complete control over how your blog information is displayed to visitors. For our purpose, focus on the show date option. Simply toggle this option off to disable it. This will remove the publication date from appearing on your blog posts. Once you've disabled show date, click Save to apply your changes. This ensures that your new settings are locked in and will be visible on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the blog publication date from your Squarespace blog. This small change can give your blog a more evergreen feel and help your content remain relevant regardless of when it was originally published. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.